2020 Ram 3500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its side view mirrors with turn signals,
Wi-Fi hotspot,
satellite radio,
premium sound system,
turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, diesel fuel, heated side view mirrors, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows, power driver seat. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.